Good day, Gators. Today we thought we'd look at light, and historically people looked up at the sun and they saw light, and over time they looked at things like rainbows and they saw that light was actually made of a collection of colors. Then in the 1800s, Thomas Edison actually was able to create a light bulb, an incandescent light bulb, which is shown here. Now, a tool that's been used to look at light, and which actually splits up light, is a spectroscope. So here's an example of a spectroscope. And what you can do is you can actually look through the spectroscope and it splits light up. And as you see, you get kind of a rainbow appearance from incandescent light, as well as the sun, which you should know because hopefully you've seen a rainbow at some point. Now, if we look at light that comes from the overhead fluorescent light, you'll see that we no longer have a continuous spectrum, but it's actually broken up into lines. Okay, now what we have here is actually a tube with hydrogen gas inside of the tube. And just like a fluorescent light, there's electricity running through the hydrogen gas, creating light. If you look at then the bands with hydrogen, you'll see a couple distinct lines. There's a reddish line, a kind of teal line, and then a blue line beyond that. Now this is looking at helium gas, and you can see the lines for helium. Okay, so here's actually what you see for iodine gas. Okay, here we have nitrogen gas. Okay, here we have argon gas. And here you have Superman's nemesis, Krypton. So we have a final toy here that we can play with, and it's known as like diffraction grating here. And you can see that if you put it up against the light, it also will kind of split the light into spectrum, and we can do that with our Krypton. And so we can go here, and whoa. So once again, we've been looking at light today.